Hello everyone. If you're in India and want to use CapCut, you might have noticed that it isn't accessible. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this problem by using NordVPN. By following these steps, you'll be able to download and use CapCut easily, even though it's restricted. First, let's talk about why you need a VPN. CapCut is not available in India, which means you cannot access it through regular internet connections. A VPN, or virtual private network, allows you to connect to the internet through servers in other countries. This changes your virtual location, making it appear as though you're accessing the internet from somewhere else. With NordVPN, you can connect to a server in the United States or any other country where CapCut is available and start using the app without any restrictions. To get started, visit the NordVPN website. You can find a link in the description below that offers discounted plans. Choose the plan that suits you, sign up, and create an account. Once you've subscribed, download the NordVPN app on your device. It's available for both Android and iOS. After you've installed the app, open it and log in using your NordVPN account credentials. The app will show a map with server locations across the globe. To use CapCut, you'll need to connect to a server in a country where CapCut is accessible. The United States is a reliable option. Tap on the United States server and NordVPN will establish a secure connection. This connection encrypts your data and makes your internet traffic appear as if it's coming from the United States. Once the connection is active, you're ready to access CapCut. If CapCut doesn't show up in your App Store, you'll need to update your App Store region. For iPhone users, go to your Apple ID settings, select Country Region, and change it to the United States. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, go to Settings, select Account, and change your region to match your VPN server. Once your App Store region is updated, search for CapCut and download it. If you already have the app installed but cannot use it, connecting to a VPN server will solve the issue. Open CapCut and it will work as though you're in the United States. You can also use the online version of CapCut. Make sure you are connected to the VPN and visit the official website of CapCut. There you can easily edit your videos even if you are in India. From this point on, whenever you want to use CapCut, make sure to connect to NordVPN first and choose the appropriate server. This ensures you can access the app without interruptions. If you're worried about the cost of using NordVPN, click the link in the description to try NordVPN for a huge discount so you can finally start using CapCut in India. There is no risk because Nord offers a money-back guarantee, so you can get a full refund if you don't like their service for any reason.